on your palette. Caught me at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at that.
If you want to know how to achieve this look, I'm about to make it so easy for you. Just keep on watching.
I'm obsessed with that look, so I want to try it and see how it looks on dark skin. So I'm going to use the Artist Couture Quickies palette. This is my favorite like on the go palette. So I already did my clean up my eyebrows and put some concealer on my lid. I'm going to use the color Exposed. Actually mixing Nudist and Exposed. I'm going to mix these two. I'm gonna go into Aesthetic in here. This is similar to a shade I use for my bronzer, and just use it in the crease here and just getting as messy as you want to. I'm gonna clean it up in a bit. I just love like brown smoky eyes, like smoky glittery eyes. I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go into Mink in this same palette and just use that for my outer V. I really like this look. You can kind of be messy because it's not hard to mess it up, because you can, it's kind of a messy smoky look, which I really like. I love this palette. I'm gonna use this Fenty concealer just to put in the middle before I'm gonna put that shimmer, and using my finger to kind of pat it in. And I'm gonna go into Opulence and Bronziana from the Artist Couture Supreme Nude, and that's going to be my shimmer. Let me start with Bronziana. So pretty. And then here is Opulence, because it's like more of a lighter gold. I'm obsessed. I'll be back with like the full. Here is my version. I feel like I went a little conservative with the eyeliner because I'm like scared to put eyeliner here, but I like it. What do you guys think? I like it.